utterly shocked to witness the visuals of the Valley's student community chanting the slogan, Kuki tumna hakadabani, which translates to, "We should annihilate the Kuki." During COCOMI's rally, the Kuki Students' Organization Sutter Hills labeled the rally as stupid and misleading for future youths. The student body stated that historically diatribes against perceived enemies have often led to the deaths of millions, as seen with the Nazis before and during the Second World War, reflecting the zeitgeist of the Holocaust. As a student body, we abhor the sinister manipulation and the instilling of hatred and enmity among innocent students, it stated, urging the Valley-based student bodies to uphold the moral and ethical values and principles of young learners, and to lead them towards academic excellence instead of unwarranted exploitation and manipulation. The Kuki's top student body condemned COCOMI and similar organizations in the strongest terms for manipulating and leading innocent students astray, coercing them into a chaotic lifestyle, and depriving them of a healthy academic environment. The student body further stated that it is unequivocally clear to all conscientious citizens of India and the world that the Manipur violence could have been averted at the initial stage by deploying adequate security forces to protect minorities. However, the state failed to act, remaining indifferent and indecisive, inviting unprecedented violence and unimaginable brutality, which only now calls for separation to heal the barbarism, it stated. The rally is, at best, senseless, and COCOMI solely represents the vested interests of the majority-dominant Métis community concentrated in the valley, yet it speaks as if it represents the entire state, KSO further stated.